I'm Ace Roofing Contractors Limited. We're here today to support tool theft because we're sick of it.
Yeah.
It's become a massive problem in the UK, and we're just trying to wake up the government's eyes to see what's happening.
Have you come far, or?
I'm High Wycombe and Watford based, so not too far. Put into perspective, it's cost me £18,000 to replace tools.
Well, I was going to say, has it actually affected you?
In the last
Unbelievable.
5-6 years, since I've sort of been going, or maybe a bit longer than that, but that's just to replace tools. That's without loss of money, loss of earnings,
Damage to the vans.
How many times have we done from site now? 3 times, 2 times from site. It's a joke. It's a joke.
So I just can't reiterate what he said there. I'm Alan from Smith Roofworks. Just tool theft, the damage to the vans. It's just out of control at the moment.
And what a fantastic turnout.
Yeah.
I don't know how many vehicles there are here, but I didn't come at the last one, but this is just amazing turnout, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be an interesting drive down to London.
It was nice on
really.
the way down here with all the vans in convoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone beeping the horns and everyone like giving you thumbs up on the way by.
Yeah.
And hopefully it makes people realise just how much of a problem it actually is.
At the end of the day, we're all just working class men trying to feed our families, aren't we? You know
Well,
what I
they're
mean?
stopping people earning a living.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I've only been going 8 months, but it's
Yeah.
not a case of if my tools get stolen.
Yeah.
It's a case of when.
Well, you should, you should
Yeah.
have to think
And,
like
and
that.
I'm already having to prep for when it happens, and that's just ridiculous.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, guys. Have a
Yeah.
good day. Yeah?
problem.
Make plenty of noise on the way down.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, cheers, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
nice
you.
one.
Thank you.